Everyone. We're going to learn how to message job seekers as an employer on the iRelaunch job board. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into the job board, and you'll see I'm logged in because you can see my name at the top right. And then you want to navigate to your dashboard, which is what you see here. The first thing you want to do is you want to edit your email templates or create an email template if you don't already have one. And you don't have to use a template, it just makes it a little easier. So you can go ahead and add an email template, and usually I would select custom because you can just really put whatever you want in it. And I'll give you an example of what this looks like finished. So I created one that basically says, hey, we found you on the iRelaunch job board. And so it says, hello, recipient first name, which I inserted using these merge fields. So I just typed out, we found your profile on the iRelaunch job board and wanted to talk with you about the job title position we have posted here, the link. So in order to add a merge field, all you do is you go down to the bottom, you select the field. So let's say you want to put the sender's mobile phone in there, and then you just hit insert, and it'll merge in the actual email. So that's the template. And what we want to do is save that.